Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some questions from vector algebra. Exercise 10.3, 15th question. Are you ready? Let us start. 15th question. If the vertices A, B, C of a triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find angle ABC. Angle ABC is the angle between vector BA and vector BC. Okay. Then triangle ABC, the vertices of A, that is 1, 2, 3, vertices of B, that is minus 1, 0, 0, then vertices of C means that is 0, 1, 2. We should find the angle between ABC. We should find this angle. Okay, how we can find angle ABC? Cos theta is equal to, theta here, angle ABC, that is equal to, ABC is the angle between BA and BC. This is BA and this is BC. So, cos of angle ABC is equal to A dot B. Instead of A dot B, we should write BC dot BA, BC dot BA divided by modulus of BC into modulus of BA. Okay. Then first we should find BC, vector BC. How we can find vector BC? Vector BC means we know that is position vector of OC minus OB. Otherwise x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. Okay, vector BC. Vector BC means we should find x2 minus x1. That is 0 minus of minus 1 means that is 1 I cap. 1 minus 0 means that is 1 j cap. Then 2 minus 0 means that is 2 k cap. Understood? Then we should find next BA. Vector BA, that is equal to OA minus OB. Otherwise we can find that is x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. BA. BA means we should find 1 minus of minus 1, that is 2 I cap. 2 minus 0, that is 2 j cap. Then 3 minus 0 means that is 3 k cap. Understood? Then next we should find cos of angle ABC. Cos of angle ABC, that is equal to BC dot BA. BC dot BA means 1 into 2, that is 2. Then 1 into 2, that is 2. Then 2 into 3, that is 6. Divided by modulus of BC. Modulus of BC means that is root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square into root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Then we will get 6 plus 2 means 8, 8 plus 2 means 10, 10 divided by root of 4 plus 1 means 5, 5 plus 1 means that is 6 into root of 4 plus 4 means 8, 8 plus 9 means that is 17. 10 divided by root 6 into root 17, that is root of 6 into 17, that is root of 102. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to cos inverse 10 divided by root of 102. Understood? Okay. We want to find the angle between ABC. We should find angle ABC. We should find angle ABC. Angle ABC is the angle between BA and BC. So, cos of angle ABC is equal to BC dot BA divided by modulus of BC into modulus of BA. BC We got BC means that is 1i plus 1j plus 2k. BA means 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Then we should find BC dot BA. BC dot BA means 1 into 2 means that is 2. 1 into 2 means that is 2. 2 into 3 means that is 6. Then we will get 2 plus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 10. Then modulus of BC means that is root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, that is root 6. Then here we got that is root of 4 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that we know that is root of 17. Then root 6 into root 17 means that is root of 102. So angle ABC is equal to cos inverse 10 divided by root of 102. Understood? Then we can see 16th problem. Show that the points A127, B263, C310 minus 1 are collinear. Okay, how we can show that these 3 points are collinear? A, that is 127, B 263, then C 310 minus 1. Okay, modulus of vector AB plus modulus of vector BC, that is equal to modulus of vector AC. Then we can say that the points A, B, C are collinear. Okay, how we can show this? First we should find vector AB. Vector AB, that is 2 minus 1, that is equal to I cap. 6 minus 2 means that is 4j cap. Then 3 minus 7 means that is minus 4k cap. Okay, then we should find modulus of vector AB, that is equal to root of 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square, that is equal to 16 plus 16 means 32 plus 1 means that is root of 33. Okay, then we should find BC. BC is equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to I cap. 10 minus 6 means that is 4j cap. Minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4k cap. Okay, then we should find modulus of vector BC, that is equal to root of 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square, that is equal to root 33. Then we should find AC. Vector AC is equal to 3 minus 1 means that is 2 I cap. 10 minus 2 means that is 8 j cap. Then minus 1 minus 7 means minus 8 cap. 8 k cap. 2 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 8 k cap. Then modulus of vector AC is equal to root of 4 plus 64 plus 64, that is equal to 64 plus 64 means that is 128 plus 4 means at the vectors 2 I cap minus j plus k cap, I minus 3j minus 5k and 3i minus 4j minus 4k form the vertices of a right angled triangle. Okay, we have to show that these three points, these 3 vertices, that is A, B, C. A means that is 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and B means that is I minus 3j minus 5k, and C means that is 3 I cap minus 4j cap minus 4k cap form the vertices of a right angled triangle. Okay, then first we should find vector AB. Vector AB is equal to, that you know, 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus I cap minus 3j plus j means that is minus 2j. Then minus 5k minus k, that is equal to minus 6k. Okay, then we should find modulus of vector AB. Modulus of vector AB, that also you know, root of minus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 6 square. That is equal to root of 36 plus 4 means that is 40 plus 1 means root 41. Okay. Then next we should find BC. Vector BC is equal to BC's 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means that is 2 I cap minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 means that is minus j cap minus 4 plus 5 that is k cap. Then modulus of vector BC is equal to root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 that is equal to root 6. Then we should find next AC. Vector AC is equal to 3 minus 2 that is I minus 4 plus 1 that is minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 that is minus 5 k cap. Then modulus of vector AC is equal to modulus of vector AC is equal to root of 1 plus 9 plus 25 that is equal to 25 plus 10 means that is root 35. 132. Okay, correct. Root 132. Root 132 means 4 into 33. Okay, 4 into 33. Am I correct? Okay, then we can write that is 2 root 33. 2 root 33. So we can say that modulus of vector AB plus modulus of vector BC that is equal to modulus of vector AC. That is equal to modulus of vector AB means that is root 33. Modulus of vector BC means that is root 33. That is equal to 2 root 33. 2 root 33 that is equal to modulus of vector AC. Okay, then we can say that A, B, C are collinear. Understood? A, B, C are collinear. Then modulus of vector AB plus modulus of vector BC is equal to modulus of vector AC. First we should find AB, then modulus of vector AB, then we should find BC, then modulus of vector BC, then AC, then modulus of AC. Then we should show that modulus of vector AB plus modulus of vector BC is equal to modulus of vector AC. So A, B, C are collinear. Understood? Okay, then we can see 17th problem. Okay. Modulus of AB square is equal to modulus of BC square, modulus of BC square plus modulus of AC square. Okay, modulus of AC square. That is equal to AB square means that is root of 41. Then AB modulus of AB square means that is 41 is equal to, then BC square means that is 6 plus 35. So 41 is equal to 41. Then we can say that these three vertices, that is 2i minus j plus k, I minus 3j minus 5k, 3i minus 4j minus 4k form the vertices of a right angled triangle. Understood? Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining problems we will see in the next class. Okay, bye.